Can you still remember the what we talked about set? Oh, we forgot it. It's on index, on order, no duplicates, all opposites. So how do we do it? It has a method that it uses. It uses a coil braces like this. So let's say my set. Let's give it a rename like Ludo. Let's say balls, like we are doing probability. Balls equals to, let's say we have red ball, we have black ball, then we have green ball, right? Which is kind of, let's print out balls for the particular set. See, the set has a coil braces right out of parentheses. Now, is it possible to actually access the value inside the set? You remember that we said it's on order, on index, no duplicate. So what do we do then? How do we now get the values out there? We can only look through it using our for loop for E in balls. What do we do? Print E for me. So for E in ball, print B for me. So it's going to print it out. This is how to print out what is inside the set. You can also have alternative looping by just printing out what we want. Print green ball. If green ball in balls, alright? If we print ball and balls, we print out check. It's true. So this kind of check or printing out or assessing is to check is it true or false. Item to set. Add item to set. To add item to set, you use add method. This particular method, we use add method to do that. So how do we do that? We just say the name of the set was dot add method, then argument inside. I want to add golden ball. So it's going to add to that. After that, let's print out ball set to actually see it's true. So we see golden ball is added. We can also update our set. We can also update set or adding multiple items. Right? How do we do that? We just say balls dot update into brackets. The method that contains a square bracket. We add our value. We add blue girl. Next one we have white girl. Let's add one more. Let's say we have cyan girl. Alright, so we run it. It's going to update. Then 2. Then let's print out the ball set out. So this is it. It's added and updated. Then we can check the length. You can use length method to check the length of the set. So we said print length equal, so we can check the length of that. 7. So that means 7 items are inside. Note that we can also remove from there, or we can use discard method or remove method. As you can see, we can say balls dot remove. Alright, what do we actually want to remove? We put it inside the bracket, the argument. Let's say we want white ball. Show your square correct. Then we remove it. Then we can print our ball out. Print our balls out. Then we can also use discard. The truth is that to use discard, if you use discard, if it doesn't exist, it will raise an error. You can also use this discard method. Look at it, trying to do that now. Raise, alright? Discard. You can also use discard to do our job. So, red ball. Use red ball. Let's say we print out ball. So now have black, blue, cyan, gold, and green. Red and white are gone. Red and white are gone. Note that if it doesn't exist, it will raise an error. If you use this card, if you use this card to remove something, it will not raise an error like this. It doesn't raise an error. And how do you know? But if you try to use remove, let's see what we have. Remove raise an error. So note the difference between discard and remove. So remove the raise error, discard of raise error. Let's say we want to remove the last item on board. Last item on board, we use pop. Let's say pp, so that we can be sure pp was equals to was dot pop method. Now let's print out. Print pp dot. See now, we have actually removed the last value, which is golden. Now let's look at how we can use pop. How we can use pop. To raise and so remove the last record there. We use pop, pp ball equals to pop, then we print pop. So we remove that and put it golden value ball. Then we can also clear the set. Ball dot clear will clear the set, empty set. So we can also delete. How do we delete the cell? We just create the set to there 2, 4, 5. So we delete it from here. And when we check, maybe it's available to there, it's not, it return an error. Now, to join two sets, we use union method. Union method. Let's say we have S1 equals to 2, 4, 5, 7. Then S2 equals to, let's say we have A, B, C. Then let's print out. Let's print out both. Let's print out S1 print S2. Then we now join them together. S3 equals to S1 dot union. So S1 dot union is bracket with the argument S2. So let's now print S3 out. Set S1 is S1, S2, then we have S3. Sorry, we want to print out S3 there. S3, S1, S2. So we use union to combine both of them, join two of them together. I know maybe you might be asking that we set not have a constructor, set definitely have. So let's just say set constructor equals to the same way double bracket. Let's say I have pencil, I have razor, so bring out print set con. Right, so we're on it. We're on pencil eraser, so it's a set, right? Use it. Oh, sorry, we need to initiate that set. Initiate that set constructor. So you see now it's not a set. So that's it.